Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kareem Hassan, and today I will give you the review of the book which I had read. Is The Power of Now, written by Eckhart Tolle. The author of this book was born in Germany, and he was best known as the author of the book The Power of Now and A New Earth. The primary principle in the book revolves around the concept of being fully present. In other words, living in the now, living in the present. The author in the book expressed his ideas that we have to look into our present, not in our past or not in our future. We have to live and we have to only think about our present. That what we are doing in our present, not think about your past or not think what will happen in your future. Make the now your primary focus of your life. Always say yes to the present moment. Author tells that today people think about their past or their future. They didn't care about their present. People spend their entire life trying to achieve something. They want a better home, better job, or need some more money, but they only live their life with some hope, and they doesn't care about their present. They only think about their future, but they don't know that if they work hard in their present, then their future will be secured, and they will gain all the all the things which they want in the future. The author thinks that by paying attention to our daily life, daily routine, we can enter a state of present now. In truth, we do not feel or think or experience anything outside our present. All that happens is in the now moment. Nothing can happen outside, yet we live unaware of this. But and the later on the author gives his ideas in this book that if you are unhappy, then it means that you are not living in the present. Most people mentally live in the past or in their future, which means that they tend not to live in the past present as it is right now. The author believes that if you are want to gain success in your life, you must live in your present, not in your past or not in your future. If you live in your past, then you will get depressed, and it will badly affect your present as well. And the incident occurred in your past will not repeat in your present. The author also tells that do not forget about your past, but take some lesson from your uh, from a mistake that you had done in your past, and that you will not repeat those mistakes in your present or in your future. So this was a small summary and review which I wanted to give you after reading the book The Power of Now. Thank you.